Hello and welcome on NVIDIA stock on 8 December. We can go for the new price prediction that we can mention on 15 minutes. And it seems that when we go for the previous parties here, we put trend line on the first place and another one. So since we can go for those trend lines, it can be done about what we can see here, also a resistance and another resistance that decreases here in momentum, and here also the resistance that decreases in momentum. However, if we have two resistances on a same trend line, the both of them are doing the same effect or equal effect to each other, so that means the third resistance will be the same thing that would happen, and then it would make a thing that is going to hit the wave to decrease in momentum more than it was actually on NVIDIA stock.